Hi, my dear students. Today we're going to resume our series in TOEFL paper based test, and today we're going to solve the exercise from scale 1 to 5. Here we go. Underline the subject once and the verb twice in each of the following sentences, then indicate if the sentence are correct C or incorrect I. The first one. For 3 weeks at the beginning of the semester, students with fewer than maximum number of units can add additional courses. If you looked here, you'll find that for 3 weeks, this is prepositional phrase at the beginning, prepositional phrase of the semester, students, prepositional phrase with fewer than the maximum number, that's prepositional phrase of units, prepositional phrase can add, that's the verb. You will notice that here there is no subject, only prepositional phrases following each other with no subject. So this sentence is incorrect. Okay. Number 2. On her lunch hour, went to a nearby department store to purchase a wedding gift. The same, on her lunch hour, this is prepositional phrase, verb, went to nearby department store, and then prepositional phrase with no subject. So number 2 is incorrect because it's missing subject. Number 3. The fir trees were grown for holiday season were harvested in November. The fir trees were grown. This is the subject, this is the verb, were grown for holiday season, were harvested. This is verb and this is another verb, so I have 2 verbs, extra verb, which is incorrect also. Number 4. In the grove, the overripe oranges were falling on the ground. In the grove, this is prepositional phrase, the overripe oranges. This is the subject, were falling on the ground. This sentence is correct because it has all the factors needed to make a sentence correct, subject and verb and the rest of the sentence. Number 5. The papers being delivered at 4 will contain the announcement of the president's resignation. So the paper being delivered, this is the subject, the paper being delivered here at 4. This adjectives, by the way, being delivered. What's going to happen with this? Will contain. This is the verb here. So the paper is the subject, being delivered is an adjective, and then will contain, this is the verb, the announcement of the president's resignation. This sentence is correct. Number 6. Especially shop with various blends from around the world in the shopping mall. Specialty shop with various blends, this is can be subject. Of course, this is prepositional phrase. In the shopping mall, prepositional phrase, and I don't have a verb and I don't have a complement. Complement may be not important and it can be left away, but the verb must be included in a sentence. So this number 6 is incorrect. 7. The portraits exhibited in the Houston's Museum last month are now on display in Dallas. So the portraits, this is the subject, exhibited, this is adjective, in the Houston Museum, prepositional phrase last month, that's the completion, are now, are here is the verb, are now on display, this is the verb, so this sentence number 7 is correct. With a sudden jerk of his hand, this is prepositional phrase, through is a verb, doesn't have a subject, without even you continue, the sentence is incorrect. Threw the ball across the field to one of the other players. Number 8 is incorrect. It's missing a subject. As you know, prepositional phrase cannot be a subject. 9. Constructions of the housing development. It will underway by the 1st of the month. Constructions of the housing development is a subject and it is another subject, so I have double subject. This is can't work. Will be, this is a verb, and then the rest of the sentence. So number 9 is incorrect. 2 subjects. 10. Those applicants returning their completed forms of the earliest date have the highest priority. Those applicants is the verb, returning their completed forms, this is adjective, at the earliest date, this is a prepositional phrase, have the highest priority, so have here is the verb, so number 10 is correct. As you can see, you can just review these sentences and you can look at them deeply with details and then you can review the answers and try to understand why again it was right or it was wrong. See you in the next exercise from 1 to 5 in another episode. Take care of yourself and goodbye.